Hello again to my humble house, and today I'm going to show you the NAG 3-in-1 backless vacuum cleaner that I just bought from Tesco at RM 189. It's a bargain. Just to share a little bit of history in my life, in about when I start working, probably about 26 years before, I've bought about 4 vacuum cleaners. Each one is, including this 4, each one is costing about 250. So including this one, I've spent 1,000 ringgit of vacuum cleaners because they went spoiled. For 26 years and for investment of 1,000 ringgit, I think that makes sense rather than buying 10,000 or 8,000 ringgit of vacuum cleaners, and after about 8 years you have to buy the spare part that might cost you around 500 or 600. I'm just making the calculation. So here we go, another unboxing session. Well, it's not much of a show because it's only a normal vacuum cleaner, but I just want to show you, if I can, what's the advantage of this vacuum cleaner. Probably everything is designed, invented for the reason of something. So let's see what's inside the box. We have the main hose. The main hose is about 2 meters long. Yeah. And oh, okay, that's it. This is the whole thing, nothing inside there. And okay, please keep the plastic bag away from children, alright? They might suffocate themselves. And over here, okay, conveniently they have these little holes in here that you can put in those extension pipes, right? So there is extension pipe number 1, extension pipe number 2, which goes like so. So you have that, and where's it? Is it here? Yeah. So extension 1, extension 2, the 2 meters flexible hose, and the main body itself. So let's see how long is the power cable. Safely covered with this plastic thingy so that it protects it from rust when it is still on the shelf, to extend its shelf life. So let's see, how long is the power cable? 1, 2, 3 and a half, 3.5 meters long of the power cable, I mean. And the on-off button, and let's see what's inside. To open up the cover, I guess you have to, you just flick this off, flick this up, oh, that's the thing. This is heavy, and I'm sure the motor is inside there. So nothing else. This is it. This is the heart of the equipment, the engine of it, and inside of the body. Okay, right. This is the filtration system. This is where all of your rubbish, your dust will be collected, right? And it doesn't have a bag, so this is the main thing that you can wash, I guess. because the fabric is made out of, I'm guessing this is fiber, yeah, fine fiber, and they have these rubber linings to make sure that the suction power is to be maximized. And okay, this is the nozzle. Okay, the nozzle, it has brushes there, brush on in the front, and rubber at the back. Okay, that's it. So this goes here along with your extension pipes and flexible hose. And next, another type of the small nozzles. I guess this is for you to easily reach the hidden places, especially on your couch. Yeah, on your couch, the joints. Oh, see, you can use it like so, or you can flick this like so and use it with the mini brush. You know. Nicely done. You just fold it up so that, you see, if this thing is made out of two separate parts, you might lose one of them, and this is cleverly designed so that you can use it without the brush or with the brush in one single part, so that you will not lose any of them. All right. And the wheels, let's see how put it. You turn this upside down, and I guess you just, okay, you see this small hole there? You just push this in, just chuck it in, right? How strong you have to push it, let me explain to you. Well, not really hard, but it has some effort to be done, but it goes in smoothly. But of course, why do you have to get some effort to do this? Because if it's too easy to go in, it will be too easy to get out, right? Yeah. And let's try the mobility in. The mobility test. Easily, right? So that if you chuck your hose in there and you pull it anywhere you go, it just follows you anywhere it goes, right? So nothing else inside there is the empty container, which is made out of aluminum, I guess. Aluminum or steel. Okay, the way to test whether this is aluminum or steel is to take a magnet. Hold on. Okay, I got a magnet here, a fridge magnet. Let's have a test whether this is steel or aluminum. This is steel, right? It sticks, the magnet sticks to the body, which means this is made out of steel. I guess, I hope that this is stainless steel. And if it is galvanized, it will also last long, and unless you scratch the galvanized surface off, then it's going to start to rust, right? Because if it is galvanized, I think they will do it properly, because this is meant for wet and dry operation. So if it's not galvanized properly, it might go rust, you know? It might go rusted, because when we use it to suck some water or some moisture, it will be inside here, and if it rusts, then there's no good anymore, right? I hope this is made out of stainless steel. Anyway, let's test the suction power. Firstly, to put this in. Okay, let's put everything back in, and the body. there properly. Okay. And the hose goes out. So there are two hoses here. There's one hole here and one hole in here. So which one does the hose goes in? I guess I have to refer to the instruction manual. Because this vacuum cleaner also provides blowing function. It doesn't only suck, it blows, you know. Let's say inlet. Okay. Off the handle. This is the inlet, right? This is the inlet. Let me find out. Okay, it says in the instruction manual that this hole over here, this part is for the inlet. So it means your nozzle goes here. Okay, just find. Okay, they have this notch over here, you know, and then they have this protruding part here. It goes on the top, and then you just turn it. All right, so there you are. This is, if you want to use the blowing function, this is the hole to use. Let's test the power. Okay, I've plugged in the power cable, and now it's time to, firstly we gotta hear the noise level, right? It's quite noisy, but I guess it has to be that noisy to be powerful, right? So let's try the power over at this nozzle. Okay. But can it lift a quarter filled 1.5 liter drinking water bottle? Let's have a test, right? On. So this is 1.5 liter bottle filled with a quarter filled with water, which means this is about 300 milliliters. What if we fill it halfway? Hold on, I'm gonna fill it in and I'm gonna have a test again. Okay, I have filled this time with half fill of the 1.5 liter bottle. Let's have a power test. Wow, it can lift a half-filled 1.5 liter bottle of water. Let's have the whole thing fill up and have another test, last test, okay? Okay, now I've got the 1.5 liter bottle all filled to the top. Let's have a final test. Here we go. So it cannot lift a fully filled 1.5 liter bottle, but it can be successfully lift a half-filled 1.5 liter bottle. So I guess that's good enough. No, that's good enough, because the main thing is that this is supposed to work to just vacuum your, especially your carpets. I got some houseworks to be done. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Cheerio!